Money. We work for it, save it, spend it, and chase it. But have you ever stopped to ask, what is money really? And why does it control so much of our lives? The evolution of money. Before money, people traded goods for goods. A sack of rice for a cow, a tool for fabric. But this wasn't efficient. What if no one wanted what you had? So humans created universal value. Gold, silver, even shells became the first forms of money. They were scarce, durable, and easy to trade. Then paper money came, a promise of value backed by governments. For centuries, it was tied to gold reserves, meaning your cash could be exchanged for real gold. But in 1971, the US cut ties with gold, and money became something new, fiat currency. It's worth something simply because we all believe it is. Today, most money isn't even physical. It's just digital numbers on a screen. Banks create money out of thin air through loans, and governments print more when they need it. But the more money printed, the less it's worth. This is inflation, and it silently eats away at your savings. As money evolves, so do our options. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin challenge traditional finance. Digital payments, AI-driven economies, and decentralized finance may redefine how we earn, save, and spend in the future. The real question. Money is powerful. It can create freedom or trap you in endless work. But maybe the real question isn't how much money you have, but what money means to you. Because at the end of the day, money is just a tool. The real value comes from how you use it.